Hi, having tested many services from the category Best Animation Software, I choose the best one. I make more than $90,000 a year with it, and I've been using it for more than 8 years. When choosing the best animation software for you and your projects, it's worth considering the features and tools you need, your style, how you export, and compatibility with programs you already use. This video lists optional for both experienced animators and beginners. So let's get started.
What is Adobe After Effects? Animation solution designed for designers, animators, and compositors. It helps with creating motion graphics, animations, and visual effects for films. Features of the platform include collaboration tools, motion tracking, visual effects, motion graphics, text animation, rotoscoping, and 3D design. Pros: it is one of the huge programs, and I cannot do without it because of its many advantages that help me produce professional videos daily. I am excited to use After Effects for my upcoming project, just so I can have the best effects going for my project. Great software, hands down 100%, really love this. Video editing, graphics, work, yup, this is the most definite. I like this software for many types of features like video rendering, exporting, frame blending, motion graph, masking, tracking, green screen, everything. I like so much. Cons: the most disadvantage of Adobe After Effects is that it requires high requirements in the host device for the program, and its price is considered relatively high compared to other programs. On its own, After Effects would be just another software. It's useful, but it has weaknesses. Weaknesses that are compensated by utilizing other Adobe software to which we will have access. That's why after using it and staying subscribed for 4 years, I eventually cancelled my subscription and stopped using it. Very tricky to use, can behave in confusing ways at times. What is 3ds Max? Produce professional 3D models and renders for design visualization, game development, and animation with 3ds Max's robust design toolkit. Pricing details. 3ds Max offers a free trial. Paid plans include monthly and annual subscription, details of which are outlined below. Monthly $205, 1 year $1,620, 3 years $4,375. Pros: 3ds Max is a highly recommended, something excited to create a wonderful animation 3D. I love the quality of the rendering and animation. I've used this software in the past when I was a teenager, and it really helped me excel my knowledge and skills of 3D modeling, animation, and rendering. 3ds Max is a highly recommended program for creating fantastic 3D animations. It gave me a very professional results, and the effects are perfect and impressive, so that is the best features in 3ds Max for my personal use. Cons: the only disadvantage is the pricing, therefore taking into account once I finish the paid period, I'll be back to Blender. Working in 2D is very frustrating and unreliable, limited animation tools. The interface lacks initializing, it lacks sometimes on low poly objects, and the shading viewpoint model could use some work. It is very hard to compose scene-on animation. What is Crita? Crita is a professional drawing program for digital artists for creating and editing illustrations. The program contains simulations for all kinds of techniques, including watercolor, oil paint, charcoal, and pastel chalk. By default, there are all kinds of customizable brushes, pencils, and pens available to use. There are tools for perspective, halftone filters, layers, and panel templates. The program can process both vector and bitmap files and is compatible with a variety of file formats. Best for illustrators, graphic designers, cartoonists, and creative drawing enthusiasts. Crita is made for both the amateur and professional artist or draftsman. Pros: Crita allowed my team to make new creative content for our Inspired edition, and our designers made some beautiful illustrations for a paint magazine from using this program. So far, my overall experience with Crita is really amazing. I recommend this to anyone new to digital art world or even animation, and you won't need to spend any fees because it's free to use. I love that Crita is free and useful for texturing, editing, drawing, animation, import, export, and more. It has a very good selection of brushes and tools. It's great that the software is free, so it can help beginners in design and vector drawing to start their careers for free. Cons: especially if you have never used a similar product, like sometimes on my PC. Frequent lags, non-detection of the pan pressure, sensitivity issues all plagued me, and eventually I had to move somewhere else. First, the documentation is lacking. Sometimes it's just what you expect, but because they are constantly adding features for some features, the documentation is missing entirely. I dislike the fact that I had to find external plugins to export animations as videos. What is Video? Web-based animated marketing video creation platform for SMBs, marketing professionals, and digital agencies. Produce videos quickly and easily with templates. Add your own images and audio or create a custom video from scratch, then animate in just a few clicks. Video is the best way to hook your desired audience, increase social media engagement, and boost CTRs. Keep costs down while maintaining full creative control as you design professional animated marketing videos with video. Best for marketing professionals, digital agencies, startups, small and medium companies, SaaS. Pricing details. Build monthly, basic $59 per month, Pro $99 per month, Premium $199 per month. Build annually, basic $19 per month, Pro $39 per month, Premium $79 per month. Pros. With video, I get to communicate easier with prospects and potential customers. Video helps me to do that in an easy way. I like that I can upload the videos directly to Facebook as a native Facebook video with autoplay, which helps me to reach a wider audience. What I love most about video is the speed. I can crank out a video for our clients in like 20 minutes. Overall, I have been happy with video. I'm looking forward to the program growing and developing into something even better. Cons. I don't like that there are no options to include video inside the software. It uses a not secure, soon obsolete Flash player for editing a video. There are many other similar online and offline applications. Sometimes pictures I upload into a video go missing when I return to edit or review it at a later date on the video platform. We also felt that there was a limited amount to ethnic characters compared to other sites too. What is Bable? Bable is a video making solution designed to help marketers, HR representatives, agencies, and entrepreneurs create animated videos for Facebook and Instagram advertisements, cartoons, commercials, presentations, and more using customizable templates. Businesses can be personalized watermarks, built-in clips, and animations to create visuals in HD 1080 pixel resolution. The platform also allows teams to collaborate across projects using a centralized dashboard and edit videos. Best for. If you're interested in creating an amazing video, generating more leads and more customers for your business, or just creating an amazing piece of content, Bable is for you. Pricing details. Bable is offered across 3 pricing plans outlined below. A discount is available on annual subscriptions. Available for free, plus $29 per month, billed monthly, and $19 per month billed annually. Team $99 per month, and $49 per month billed annually. Pros. I like how easy it is to prepare the video. It can take even less than 10 minutes. New user, but so far very excited about the prospect of Bable moving forward. What used to take a day to create can now be done in under an hour or 2, depending how long it is. Adding your own music is an easy task and syncs perfectly within the video. It's been a great program and asset to our company's marketing strategy. Cons. There's no option for square format Instagram videos. There is a feature on Bable Lite that allows you to adjust the length of video clip, and this has been broken for months, making the product useless to me. There is no undo button, which can be very frustrating and create a bit of time expense when you've made a mistake. But the web interface of the system is so limited that it may sometimes frustrate you with errors that you cannot undo.